It's your girl Rika. You already know what it is. Okay. But yeah, so today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be a hair review video. I was supposed to do this video a long time ago. I actually recorded it and the file got deleted, so I'm doing it again. Okay, so this hair is from Hairinbeauty.com. Hairinbeauty.com, they have their own website. I bought my bundles from their online site. So let me tell you guys a bit of the details of this hair before I get into it. Okay, so this hair was ordered on August 14th, 2018. I told you guys I've been trying to do this video. I did this video when I received the hair and the file got deleted and I got upset and I didn't feel like doing it again, but I'm here to do it again for y'all, okay? Okay. I received my bundles on August 17th. So 3 days, my bundles came in 3 days. So the bundles I have on my head right now is the Loose Wave. I believe it's Brazilian, but I'm not too sure. Loose Wave 22, 24, two 26s and a 20-inch closure. And I did make this into a wig and I did use all the bundles. I decided that I wanted to fit all the bundles into this wig. So all the bundles are in this wig. I did have like a little piece left, not something like too dramatic, but I had a little bit left over. But yeah, so I put all 4 bundles into this wig right here, and this is what your girl's working with. Like I said, this is 26 inches. The longest bundle is 26 inches and it reaches me to about like my butt, maybe like, yeah, my lower back. So I am 5'7", 5'8", just if you guys wanna, you know, gauge it. And this is how long the hair is, if y'all can see. So that's how long it is. First of all, let me talk about the company. The company was very, very, very sweet. They were sweet. They kept up with me when my hair was shipped. They, you know, sent me an email telling me that, you know, the logistics showed that I received my bundles. They just want to know if I like them, if everything's okay, if there's something wrong or whatever. And also on top of that, she just kept me up to date with what's going on with my hair. Like I said, she didn't really have to keep me up to date because I got my hair within 3 days, but she was really nice. So the perks about this hair is it does not shed. Like legit, I'm doing like this and there's no hair, like no hair at all. This hair does not shed. This is the brush that I've been using to brush out this hair. So I decided, because I knew I was going to do this video, I wanted to give this wig a wear a few more times so that I can really get in depth with this video. So it's Wednesday right now. And I put this wig on since Monday, like I showed you guys in the video. In my past video when I was washing my hair, I did say that I was going to be putting on a wig. This is the wig right here. I had this hair since Monday and I've been brushing out this hair since Monday. I purposely put this wig on just to brush it out to see if it was any shedding, and there's barely any shedding. Like I couldn't even make this into like a little hair ball. So the shedding on this hair is really, really good. Like you barely get any shedding. Like if you so this is how much hair since Monday till now. This is really how much hair that came out of it. Okay. That's it, okay? That's it. That's pretty good. So that's that with the shedding. This hair is super soft and super nice. When I first received the hair, I did wash it and it went bone straight. When I first got the hair, I didn't really like the curl pattern that it came in. Not because it was ugly, it was just not the curl pattern that I was looking for. I was looking for something else and it just wasn't what I was looking for. So I did wash the hair and it went straight. I let it air dry. When I woke up the next morning, it was bone straight and it was beautiful, 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 beautiful. I'm in love with this hair. The closure is not bleached. I did not bleach this closure. The closure came pretty good. Like you don't have to bleach if you don't want to. I do have a wig cap under because I was working on a frontal over here, so I had to try it on. So I do have a wig cap under this. but this hair is super amazing. It didn't really come pre-plucked, and I had to cut my own edges. It came a bit plucked, but not too much, not too little, but I didn't add any extra because I didn't feel like it needed to be extremely plucked. So yeah, I made this into a wig. Like I said, this hair, I did not glue it down at all. This hair is super nice. The only thing I would say, which is, I mean, it happens when you get long bundles. You have really thick hair at the top and the bottom is really thin. I don't have that problem with this hair, so to say. I mean, the bottom is pretty thin, but it's not like dramatic. But this hair is not really that noticeable. At first, when I first washed it, it was very noticeable, and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this length. Maybe I just have to cut it. But once it dried fully, I was like, okay, it's not that bad. So that's just something you have to keep in mind. I did not curl this hair, so I don't know how well this hair takes to heat with curls in it. I just straightened this hair before, and it takes, but I've never curled this hair because I'm not a fan of just curling my hair. I have to be going to an event to curl my hair, if that makes sense. Like, I don't just wake up in the morning and be like, oh, I feel curls today. So I do like straight hair. I really do love straight hair. So that's why I have this hair straight. But I definitely would recommend this hair company to anybody because this company is amazing. This hair, a lot of YouTubers don't really like to talk about prices. They like to tell you hair is inexpensive, and when you go on the site, you're like, $600 is inexpensive. All right, sis. This hair, I wouldn't say it's inexpensive, but it's not too expensive. Like, you know, it's something that anybody could afford, I hope. This hair was 224 Canadian dollars. The shipping was super fast. The company was really nice. The hair is amazing. The hair is nice and silky and just baby. Okay. This hair, like Hairinbeauty, just has me feel like when I first put this on, I was like, whew, that's how you doing, Hairinbeauty. Okay. I really do love this hair. Like, this hair is just something out of this world. Like, what girl doesn't like hair that doesn't shed, that the bundles are nice and thick, it's long, you don't have to bleed? Like, if you're not getting hair from Hairinbeauty, what is you doing, baby? Okay. But yeah, I hope you guys purchase from Hairinbeauty, because why would you not? Like, after you heard that this hair doesn't shed, it takes well to heat. Like, you don't need to bleach nothing. Okay? Why would you not? Okay? Why would you not? The only thing I would say about this hair is that the closure is a different color from the bundle. So my closure is like a 1B and my bundles are like a 1. So you can kind of see the difference. Like, if I come close to you guys, you won't see. But because, like I said, I was going to do this video, so I was paying attention to, like, the perks of this like, I was just paying attention to the pros and cons that could possibly be with this hair. I did realize that. I mean, it's not a big issue to me because it's like, I really don't care because it's not something huge, but it's just something to know. It's whatever. Amazing. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any video requests that you would like to see, you can either leave it down below, or you can hit me in my DMs on Instagram at princess_.s. You can follow me on Snap at Rica_1602. Follow me on Twitter at Shekkii, SHEKKII. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share this video with your friends, your family, anybody who you want to share this video with. Boo boo. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye guys.